सर माझी दिसते सर.
येस
आधी आपण डेमो देऊया.
डायरेक्ट डेमो देऊ. हा तिथून ऑनलाईन देता येते. मोहेकर MOHE मोहेकर कॉलेज डॉट मोहेकर कॉलेज इन्फो INFO
Dot.
.com COM right.
Yes, everybody visible. Please reply in chat box.
So I think the screen is visible to all participants. Those who have not seen this, yes, there is a yes.
Okay, sir. No problem.
Okay, so this is the screen that this way when you log in, when you give the address in address bar mohekercollegeinfo.com, this screen will appear. The username and password, these two options are there. You have to give username and password. Now let's say Kamalakar Jadhav is my name. My first name is Kamalakar, KAMALAKR, and Jadhav, JADHAV. This is my last name. So I have given Kamalakar Jadhav, and password is 123456. Right? Because it's easy to create, so we have given this user ID and password. So you can change your password later on. So there are 3 tabs: question, reset password, and logout. So Ghanshyam, please click on questions. We will go to the questions. Question is the same. These questions are same as they appear in NAAC website AQAR. The same questions, same sub questions, same metrics are there. So once you log into this, once you go to the questions, you can edit your answer. Edit in the sense you can update your answer, you can write your answer, anything you can do. So click on edit your answer. Second number. Okay, let's first number. Part A. So this is what the information I have written earlier. So we can update this information. Then some write something. This is demo session, evening session. He is writing. So he has written evening session. Now we can save this updated information. Save at the bottom. Yes.
Updated.
Updated. Now the information, your information is updated. Now let's say some activities took place in your college. Now you have updated your information by just writing in that particular column answer to that particular question. Now we have updated the information. Now we can take the printout of this. But 1 minute, there are total 11 pages. Then just go to 11. So
Yes, sir.
yes, this is the last question that you might have seen, or you have handled all these things. So 8 number, future plans of action for next academic year. Now I have written something in this. Now this is what I have written already. Then Sam write something. Now we are updating this question also. This is last question. Right. Now he has written this. So we will update now. Save button. Right.
Yes.
Now it is saved. Now we have updated today last events. Now update. Let's see, in my college some event took place. Now I have to update. I have updated with my mobile so and so information. Now we can take print out of this web application, this AQR. Now click on print option. Right. Once you click on print option, this screen will come. That he cancelled it. From that screen, we can save the PDF file to our computer, laptop, our folder. Any folder you can save this file. Now the AQAR is saved to your folder. It is saved to your laptop or desktop. Now, till now, let's say this is the month September. Till now, you have saved the information. And in next month also, you can update the information, save new file. You can do this activity n number of time. There is no limit. N number of time you can log in. N number of time you can save the option. You can save, update the information. Let's see. This is last question. He has written. This is the updated information. This is the updated information that Ghanshyam has written. So now you can see this is the PDF file with updated information, right? I think this is what about the web page, and as I have shown the slide, but some might have not seen. So mohekercollegeinfo.com is the web address, and will be once we get your information, we will create your user id and password in our next 2 to 3 days. It will take 2 to 3 days to create user id and password. User id will be your first name, last name without space in small letters. Password will be 1234566. You can update or you can change your password very easily. And this web page is very useful and very easy to handle. It is connected in low bandwidth also, and you can update your information through mobile also. So this is what about the web page. If there is any question, please you can raise the question.
A lot of the Q&A section.
Okay. Q&A section. Yes, I will go. Okay, screen is okay. Not able to see. Okay, the message level on screen sharing. What to do? Okay. There is no question. There are suggestions about the screen. Okay.
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 Raise hand,
Thank you.
sir.
Then, if you want to ask, please raise hand so that we can discuss.
Hemant Kumar Chandak, sir.
Yes, yes. Please, Chandak sir.
Yes, yes, Chandak, sir.
To myself. Yeah. Good evening, Kamlakar Jadhav sir.
Yes, yes. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening.
Yeah. Good evening, Ghanshyam. Good evening, Gauri
Good evening,
madam.
sir.
And all.
Good evening. Yeah.
Please say.
Well. First of all, let me congratulate you for doing this wonderful thing and
Yeah, thank you.
organizing the webinar.
Yeah.
Let me come to the question.
Yes.
I have a few questions regarding this. Number one is, can we generate the Excel sheet as required in the AQR from this?
Listen, this is the web page to keep only record in the sense, by writing you can keep record that this activity took place and this number of people student were present. You can create Excel sheet separately, and
Okay.
so in this web page you cannot attach with Word file or Excel sheet.
Not even photographs or anything we cannot attach.
No, in writing you can keep.
Okay. Only text can be kept in
Yes,
the.
yes. Only text can be kept. Yeah.
It's wonderful.
And in next 2 months we are trying to do as the AQAR you see in the NAC portal, the same way we will create in next coming 2 months.
Yeah, that will be really great. Huh?
Yes.
So yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Please, anyone?
Next, Gauri Devasthai, madam.
Yeah, go to
Yes.
ma'am. Yes.
How you will be sending us our credentials by email?
No, ma'am. The easy way to understand yourself, after 2 to 3 days, 3 or 4 days, you can log in directly by
Okay.
first. Yeah. This is the credential. Your first name, last name without space
Yes.
in small letter, and password is 1234566. If you
4,
are
5, 6.
66, yes, 1234566.
Okay. So we will check after 3-4 days.
Yes, sure.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
If you have any query, then we can talk on Telegram also. If anyone.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yes, please, anyone.
Anand Deshmukh, sir.
Yes.
Dr. Anand Deshmukh, sir, please unmute and ask your question.
Kambalakar sir, first I congratulate to you.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
My question is that what will be the process to form or to prepare the web page?
Actually, this is just like a software. You have to contact with the software, those who prepared softwares or software companies like that. It somewhat cost more. Means, see if you can, but the cost is there. You have to pay definitely. Hello, sir.
Next, Geeta Pasulkar, madam. Yes, ma'am. Ask your question, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Geeta Paluskar, ma'am.
Geeta, ma'am. Yeah, yes. From Mumbai.
Yes.
Ma'am, please. Or you may suggest me also. If you want to suggest something, please go ahead.
Next one, Sunil Wankhande, sir.
Yes, sir. Sunil, sir, please.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, please.
Sir, for this the facility, we have to register our college on your webpage first.
No, what we will do now, we have collected your information through this webinar. right?
Yes.
I will get list from Ghanshyam Nanavare white coat people. They will give me the list of all participants. Then I will prepare user ID and password for you all.
Okay.
After 3-4 days, you can check directly by login with your name and surname and 1 2 3 4 5 6 password.
Sir, if I want to take the information of all the faculties of my college, suppose 100 faculties are there, so they can
Yeah,
upload.
sure. Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. You write to us, mohekarcollegeinfo@gmail.com.
Okay. Thank you.
On this mail, you please send me the names.
Okay.
Then-
Thank you, sir. Miss, first I will do my login, then to give the
Yeah,
password.
sure.
After 3-4 days,
Yes, yes.
I will
Sure.
proceed further.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Dr.
Ashit
Sanjay
sir.
Baranwal, sir. We will include you. No, do not worry. Yes, sir.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yes, sir. Ashif, sir. Please.
Sir, it's a nice initiative you have taken.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
मेरा query ये था, sir, that what purpose this thing is going to serve for us?
It's we.
In context of AQAR, is it only for the faculty or is it for the IQAC itself?
No, it is for all those who are working in IQAC. You may say that IQAC coordinator, IQAC member, those who are working for NAC. For those people, we have prepared this. Even for my college also.
Okay. Sir, is it possible that we could insert those tabular formats?
Means only you can give only.
We have given the descriptive boxes there only.
Yes, only
so in
text.
certain cases, you have to fill the data in tabular format. So if that could be done.
No, you can. You can. Let's say you want to prepare a table. You can write it by giving a particular space, but you cannot create table only in a text format.
Okay. Thank you.
Just like record keeping. Record. Yes. That's
Thank you.
Yes.
Next, Dr. Alka, madam.
Not audible. Alka.
Yes, Vinayak Lokhande, sir.
Vinayak Lokhande, please.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I only heard your presentation because I am not able to get your screen.
Okay. Okay, sir.
I'm online.
Okay.
I have one question that where this information will be saved, in your server or what?
Actually, this information, even I could not answer right now because there is a space given for every website. There is a space given backside. So there it may be saved. I could not properly answer to this question.
And whatever the username and the password we are getting, that
Yes.
will be for the one person. He can only enter the information in that.
Yes. This is the page is for only that person.
That person.
Other person cannot handle it, cannot use it.
If we want to, if our committee want to enter the get the username and password, every that member should be
Different. Every member have to log in with a different user ID and different password.
Okay, then I will send the one to you.
Yeah, sure.
But
Next one, Vinita Basantini, madam. Principal Vinita Basantini, madam. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Kamlakar sir, thank you so much.
Yes.
Actually, I requested you today only and I was given this opportunity.
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Yes.
My question is actually while your presentation was going on, I went to your mohekarcollegeinfo.com and I already registered also with the name of my IQAC coordinator.
Okay.
And I have put the password 123456.
Okay.
And it's saying something like a breach of conditions, something like that. So
Yes.
I'm unable to understand how
Yeah.
this password is going to be changed. Is it
Reset.
going to change?
Yeah, you going to change. Reset password is the tab. Reset password. Once you log in, right?
Okay.
Go to the reset password. You can change You can change your password. We are going universal because just to remember all these participants' name. This is the only idea to give user ID and password to.
Okay, so now
program.
this page, which suppose we are 300 here and 300 of us create one
Okay.
page each. So
Okay.
will it be confidential?
Yeah, sure. This is the space given for every website. The same technique is used, and what you are writing there. You are just giving the points.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, you cannot attach any file to this web page, right? This is just like a diary. Just like a pocket diary. That you
So
just
is this a kind of software that you have developed?
This is the we have taken it from professional people, and this
Okay.
is just like that. It's the web.
Okay.
This is called as a web application.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. Yes. So I think all
Last
people.
one, Vasant Satpuri, sir.
Vasant sir, please.
Yes, sir. Dr. Vasant Satpuri, sir.
Hello, sir. Are you
Yes,
getting?
yes, sir. Yes, please.
Yes. Congratulations, Mohika, sir, for organizing this, taking this initiative.
Okay,
It's a
thank you.
very nice move.
Yes.
Just a query in my mind. You are providing presently free at cost,
Yes.
but will it cost something in future?
No, no, no. Because this is just a pocket diary of AQAR.
Okay.
You are not going to attach any file to this web page. So this is
But
just
you might have
can-
been spending something for this.
we have spent for you people also, as
Yeah.
well as we.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Do not worry about that.
Okay.
Dr. Shailendra, sir.
हेलो सर. हेलो.
Yes, please.
गुड इवनिंग सर कर्माकर सर.
Yes, good evening, sir. Please.
सर हमने आपको कई बार बात की टेलीग्राम पे
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
कन्वर्सेशन का.
Yeah.
सर
Please.
मैं एक बात पूछना चाहता था
Yeah.
कि सपोज 4 or 5 people of my college are enroll on this web page.
Okay.
How it will be ascertained that they are belonging to the same college or they are doing the work for the same college?
This is the question of that particular person. We are giving this web page to one person. He may write anything, or he may keep record. He may write what he is right. We cannot see, right? So that depends upon that particular user.
Okay. So
Yeah.
then only a single person of college can enter the information.
Yeah, single person. You may take 7 person for 7 criteria. Likewise, you can
Okay,
use
7 person
yeah,
for 7 criteria. Okay.
yeah,
okay,
we
okay.
will provide you. Do not
Otherwise,
worry.
all the 7 person cannot enter the information for the same criteria.
No, look, do as it is. That 7 criteria, the 7 people will take user ID and password. They can log in and they can keep record of particular criteria.
Okay.
And they can you can take printout, or you can save the file to your desktop.
Okay. Thank you.
Likewise, yes.
Next, Savita, madam.
And one announcement, please do remember that on 20th we have arranged a cash webinar. If it is required, or it's good to know about all things about the cash, so please you can register for that also. Yes, ma'am, please, Savita.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Good evening.
Thank you for sharing this web application with us.
Yes.
I would like to know how much space in GB is allocated to each of the person whoever login.
The space available for us is 100 GB. Likewise. So
100 GB per person?
No. For we.
Okay,
They have
sir.
allotted us.
Okay.
And we can extend. That doesn't matter. And
But then will it be free of cost after extending?
Yeah, sure, ma'am, sure.
Okay.
Do
sir.
not worry. We are not taking any important files. This is just you can use as a pocket diary. You can keep record of main points, so that you can anytime you can see that points. What is the what I have written, what I have to do. You can use that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank.
Next one.
Yeah.
Kalyani, madam, please.
Kalyani, ma'am. Kalyani, ma'am, please.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Actually, sir, from long time I'm requesting that the
Yeah,
screen
sure.
is not
Yeah.
visible.
Okay.
What is the reason? I'm able to hear everything, but I
Yes.
am not able to see any screen.
Okay. So you, just remember, you have to log into mohekarcollegeinfo.com. We will provide you. Even I think you are in that group also. Definitely, we will provide you credentials to that. And you
Yes,
can see
I have got the mail. I have got the details of Zoom ID and password.
Okay.
I have registered into the event. I have done everything properly.
Okay. But there might be some problem. But few people are complaining that the screen is not visible. So just we will connect on Telegram also. Do not worry.
Can you share the contents?
Yeah, content in the sense, just I have added a few things. How questions are, the questions are same as it is in AQR. Just you have to follow those things. That there is an option edit answer. When you go to the edit answer, you can write, or you can keep your college point wise or college anything, any program record you can keep in that. Hello, hi, yes,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
yes,
Aarti Suri, madam.
yes.
Yes, unmute, ma'am. Next one,
Yes.
Harsha Sharma, madam. Harsha Sharma. Yes, sir, unmute. Yes, ma'am.
Good evening. Same problem with me also. I can
Yes.
see, I can hear all the sounds, but I can't see any of the PPTs. I have also sent the message in the chat box, but I think I didn't get a reply on that.
Yeah, ma'am, that might be problem with some
In network, yes.
network issue, because few complaints are there that they are unable to see the screen.
So
But
kindly provide us with the
yeah,
PPT
sure.
so that we'll be able to understand.
Yeah, it's very easy process. I will share. Are you in Telegram group?
कमलाकर
Yes,
सर,
sir. Yes, yes.
आपण काय असं करू शकतो का, जे आता 300 अटेंडीज आहे ह्यांच्यासाठी एक इन्स्ट्रक्शन फाईल जर तुम्ही मला शेअर केली तर
ओके
मी
ओके
300
मेल
लोकांना
चालते
Yes,
चालते.
mail.
हीच मी पीपीटी पाठवतो ना.
Yes, yes, चालेल.
सर, येस मॅम,
Yes,
we
all
will share.
attendees. Yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay, okay. Thank you so
definitely.
much, sir.
Yeah,
Thank
sure, sure.
Sir, last,
Last.
Kamla Srinivas.
Yes, please.
Yes. Please unmute. Yeah.
Oh, good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Thank you very much for reconsidering and fulfilling our request to have the Zoom meeting again.
Yeah, sure.
As you said, in 2 months' time, you're going to upgrade this web page, right?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Now, this looks like a Word document. At our institutional level, we are maintaining a record. What is
Yeah.
the upgradation going to be, sir?
This actually what we have first plan was that only a text can be done. Means you can write in text.
Okay.
We will not give space for PDF file or any Word file, because the reason is that some will say that we have the very important document with us, our college important documents, why to save in your portal. So this might be the issue. So that's why at very first stage we could not think of that. So our thought is that the person who is taking different activities at several interval of time, so how he can keep the record. There are so many softwares, Android softwares are available in our mobile also. So likewise, we prepared this. So you can just use as a record keeper or a pocket diary, or you can, according to the point, you can make a note of those points. So this is what about the web page. So we will not, we are thinking, but it is very difficult to provide you all the page, like you can upload, if you want to upload the this Word file or PDF file, it is a little bit difficult. So,
And how do we, and one more thing, how do we connect this content of ours onto the NAC portal? How do we do that? Would that be easier, you think?
yeah, you can, when you save and you go to the print tab, then here automatically the PDF file is generated, right?
Yes.
The PDF file you can save to your desktop. Once the PDF file goes to your desktop, then you can use the converter, PDF to Word converter from Google.
Okay.
Once you put the file in converter, automatically that file converts into Word. You can cut and paste.
Okay. Fine.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Easy
So that
process.
means we are repeating the task to upload the same information what we have collected on the
Yes.
NAC portal. So
Yes,
it is not like an easier task like directly NAC portal के साथ connect हो जाएगा.
Yes, yeah, नहीं हो जाएगा. No,
Okay.
it is very different. This is only a diary that you can
Exactly.
write and keep record. That's it.
Got
Yeah.
That's amazing, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah. झाले घनश्याम?
Yes, yes, yes.
झाले का सगळे?
हो, हो.
So thank you all. I hope that you have understood this web page, so importance and what a page is about. We have your name, surname, and email IDs. We will create the credentials, and you after 3-4 days you can log in directly to the web page. Once again, I request you that we have a cash webinar on 20th of coming May, 20th May. So if you wish, you can register for the same also. The advertisement is in our chat box, and we will also circulate on Telegram. So thank you very much for listening and participating in this webinar. Right, Ghanshyam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, झाले ना?
Yes, yes, चालेल. मग आपण तसं तुमच्याकडे PPT आल्यावर मी पाठवून देईन सर्वांना.
हो चालेल सर. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, Ghanshyam. White code people are very helpful. So once again, on behalf of all participants, I would like to say thank you, Ghanshyam. Thank you very much.